Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add your Revolut card to your Apple Wallet. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and add your Revolut card to your Apple Wallet. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is click on the credit card icon in the upper right hand corner. Next, click on the card which you want to go ahead and add to your Apple Wallet. Now, from this prompt here, once you click on the card that is going to be added to your Apple Wallet, you should see the option to add it to your Apple Wallet. Go ahead and add it to your Apple Wallet, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add your Revolut card to your Apple Wallet. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.